Civil Service Exam, Math Reviewer, number 83 and 84. So post the video, try nyo munang sagutan bago panoodin ang aking solution. Okay, so number 83, the sum of two numbers is 45 and their difference is 9. What is the larger number? Okay, so mag-assign lang tayo ng dalawang number dito. Gagawin ko na lang x and y. Okay? So let x be the larger. Ito yung larger number and then y naman gagawin nating smaller. Okay? Buuin na natin ang ating equation. Sabi, the sum of two numbers is 45. So i-add lang natin. So equation number 1, x plus y is equal to 45. And their difference is 9. Pag sinubtract natin, x minus y equals daw sa 9. Siyempre, yung x natin dito yung larger. Pag sinubtract natin yung smaller, ang sagot 9. Kaya positive yung 9, no? Kaya mauuna dapat yung x. Okay? So x minus y imbis na y minus x. So para ma-solve natin yung larger number, isosolve lang natin ito by elimination. Pag inad natin ang dalawang equations natin, makakancel na tong positive y minus y, 0 na ito. And then we have x plus x, that is 2x, is equal to 45 plus 9, that is equal to 54. Then last step, divide natin both sides by 2. Cancel na yung 2, 1 na lang yan. Therefore, x is equal to 54 divided by 2. The answer is 27. Letter C, ang larger number. Okay? So next, number 84. Kailangan kabisado lang natin yung formula. What is the simple interest on 18,000 pesos at 8% for 3 years? So ang formula ng simple interest I is equal to PRT. P times R times T. P is the principal. Ito yung principal, yung amount. Okay? 8%, ito naman yung rate. Rate yung may percent. And then T for time in years. Okay? So, ang time natin ay 3 years. Okay? So, ito yung time natin. Substitute lang natin. Substitute natin sa formula. Therefore, the interest is P is 18,000. Multiply natin sa rate. Ang rate natin 8%. Ang gagawin ko na lang fraction. 8%, that is 8 over 100. Bakit fraction na ginawa ko? Kasi puro 0 tong 18,000. Pwedeng i-cancel na lang natin yung tig dalawang 0. Okay? Bali wala na tong 1 dito. Okay? Cancel na yung 100. And then times natin sa time, which is 3 years. Okay? So i-multiply lang natin ito. Unahin natin itong 180 times 8. Okay? Manual lang natin. 180 times 8. 8 times 0 is 0. 8 times 8, 64. 8 times 1 is 8 plus 6, we have 14. So we have, pag minultiply itong dalawa, 1,440 and then times 3. So isa-isayin lang natin, distribute natin itong 3. 3 times 0, that is 0. 3 times 4, that is 12, carry 1. 3 times 4, another 12, plus 1, we have 13. And then 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1, we have 4. So the answer is 4,320 and that is letter B. Sa mga naghahanap po ng murang civil service exam review, ito po yung offer ko sa inyo. 99 pesos lang po, all in na po ito. Meron tayong 500 slots na available. Ito po yung mga inclusion niya, 10 days math and logic tutorial via Zoom. Online po ito ha. So ang schedule na itong 10 days, ito po. Ayan, math and logic. 7 to 9 p.m. po lahat ito, MWF po ito. So July 6, integers, PEMDAS, GCF, and LCM. July 8, fractions and decimals. July 10, law of exponents and radicals and unit conversion. July 13, number series and number analogy. July 15, basic algebra. July 17, percentage, ratio, and proportion. July 20, word problems. July 22, data interpretation. July 24, logical reasoning. And July 27, abstract reasoning. So, madadaanan po natin lahat ng mga math and logic. Meron din tayong Google Forms reviewer sa ibang subjects, kagaya ng verbal ability, analytical ability, general info. Marami rin tayong mga 150 item na mock test. Then may only replay din po tayo ng past session. Ito pong mga Zoom meetings natin, recorded po yan sa exclusive na FB group natin. So ano pong inaantay nyo? Mag-message lang po kayo sa akin dito sa aking FB RJ Enseñado.